Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will tell you how to see who unfollowed you on Instagram. For this, just open your Instagram app and click on your profile button, lower right corner, and then here is one simple way to check who has followed you. For this, go to your followers and then check the person from the followers list. For example, I want to check if this person following me or not. I will click its profile, and then if I have this follow back button, it means he has followed me and I can follow this person back. Another check you can do, you can check the following of the person, and here search for your name, and if you are coming in its search, it means that person is following you. This obviously is not an easy task if you have too many followers. So what you can do then go back and go to Google Play Store and search for follow meter for Instagram. And here you will see many apps, but just click on follow meter for Instagram and install this app. After installing this app, go back and go to the app, and after opening the app, you need to set up your account in this app. Then you need to press on refresh, and after that click on unfollowers, and from this you can see who have unfollowed you. But this app can only show your followers from the day you have set up your account on this app. The data from past this app can't tell you anything about. So these are the two ways you can check who have unfollowed you on Instagram. That's it from today's video, guys. If you are new to our channel, like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for future notifications. Take care.